Well, it's time for a new antenna for the Mini Cooper. As you can see, the original one here got a little bit brittle and the rubber started breaking apart. Doesn't look too good. Not too easy to get off though, because the old rubber just twists around the antenna and you can't get a grip on it. So to get that out of the way, I just took a razor knife and split it in half. Once you do that, you can easily pull it off and get access to the base of the antenna so you can put a wrench on it. It removes real quickly. Now, we went with a slightly different design. My wife saw one of these on another Mini and loved it. And when it showed up, actually looked better than the advertisement. So we were pretty happy with it. It's a lot shorter. And it came with a bag of thread adapters. Looks like you could probably mount this on just about any vehicle if you use the right adapter. It also came with some rubber washers. In this case we didn't need them, but on other vehicles it may be necessary for spacing to use the washers. So we just use the old antenna thread to choose an adapter that matches. Once you do that, just go ahead and put the adapter on the antenna and you're ready to mount it on the vehicle. We were a little concerned about radio reception, so once we got it on, we took a few test drives and it worked just great, so we were real happy with it. If you know anybody else trying to do this, go ahead and share this video, and I hope you'll give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.